Okay, class. In the second part here, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be changing the projection and joining the attribute tables. Okay, so I'm North Carolinian, and I may not notice this, but people from Texas, born and raised here, would notice this is kind of a squished version of Texas, right? So what we want to do is we want to change this into a better projection. Right now this doesn't really give us the true shape of Texas. So we're going to go to View, go to Data Frame Properties. Okay. Now when Data Frame Properties comes up, we're going to go to Predefined. This is all under Coordinate System. Predefined, Projected Coordinate Systems, State Systems. And under State Systems, we're going to choose a datum that fits Texas. So this is the Texas Statewide Mapping System. Okay. If we were mapping somewhere else, Alaska, there's a lot of different ones, but we're using the Texas Statewide Mapping System. Okay. Apply. Yes. And OK. Okay. So as you can see right here, that looks a lot nicer, right? We have a more accurate shape of Texas. Okay, and then next we are going to open and join attribute tables. Okay, so let's go right here. We are right-clicking on USGS places, and we're going to open the attribute table. Okay, so if you look right here, some important things to look at, right, is all we care about, right, is populated places. Now if you go down here a little bit, right, much like in the Access Lab we did, there's a lot of these values that we really don't like, right? None of these values aren't values that are going to show up. All we care about are populated places. Okay, so to change this, what we're going to do is we're going to go, just want to make this a little bit bigger while I'm at it too. There you go, there's a bigger version of this so you guys can see it better. Okay, so what we're going to do is up here, if I leave my icon over this little button here, and we're going to do select by attributes. Okay, so when we select by attributes, we are going to go to type of place right here, which is actually type of PL, right? And what this is doing is this is giving us a place where we can add formulas, right? So type of PL, and then equals, and then if I hit this button here that says get unique values, it's going to show me all the values of that type of place. So we're going to select PPL, which is populated places, right? And we're going to hit apply. Okay, we had some issues there. Let's try that again. So we're right here. Let's make sure this formula was right. I think that's why it wasn't working. Select by attributes, type of place, equals, get unique values. And we're going to go to PPL. Wrong place. Okay, paste, and then hit apply. Okay, there we go. Is when we do that, what should happen is it should select all these right here, right? So let's close this out. That did what it wanted, and let's go to export data. Okay, so we're at USGS places, and we're going to just save everything that is PPL. So export data. Let's go right here. I like doing this better here. This is going to be USGS PPL. USGS PPL. Okay, and we're saving that as a shapefile. Okay, so you got this right here. Save. Okay, yes. Let's close this out here. We're done with that. Okay, so we have everything we need right here, right? And you can take this off right here. So we no longer need the USGS places, so let's just get rid of that. USGS places, and as you can see, there were a couple little ones there that disappeared. So now we have USGS PPL. meaning that USGS longitudes and latitudes that are only populated places. Okay, so once we have that, what we're going to do is we are going to click on USGS populated places, and we're going to go to joins and relate. Okay, now this is a lot like what we did in Access. We're going to link this with census places, and then we're going to link it by place name, and then we're going to keep only matching records. Okay, so if there's places that has values of only one and not the other, we're not going to do that. And let's just make sure that it works first. Hit validate join. Okay, look good. So once we have that there, we're going to okay, and then once we do that, we're going to click on this right here and just make sure that it works. Let's open the attribute table. Okay, so we should have all the values here, and then if we scroll down more, right, there you go. There is our census latitude and our census longitude. So we're good. So we want to export this. Okay, so data, export data. Let's go to right here, and let's call this Texas combo. Okay, Texas combo. Okay, so save it as a shapefile. Here we go. Okay, so now we have this layer here that is just the Texas combo, which shows the joined table right here. Okay, and now that is all for this part. I will continue with the part 3, and that we will learn how to use the field calculator.